Lesson 1, Question 7. There are two classic problems that give us mathematically proper ways to evaluate coincidences. One is a counterintuitive poser, the birthday problem, which tells us that in any group of 23 people, the odds are better than even that two people in the group will have the same birthday. The other is the monkey problem, which asks if given a large enough amount of time, could a monkey, randomly hitting the keys of a computer keyboard, write the first line of a Shakespeare sonnet? These two problems, along with the law of large numbers, the theory of hidden variables, and the law of truly large numbers, give us a reasonable understanding of why coincidences happen far more frequently than we expect. This last law, the law of truly large numbers, is a philosophical adage. In a nutshell, it tells us that if there is any likelihood that something could happen, no matter how small, it's bound to happen at some time. It's not a theorem that can be proven. After all, I use the phrase bound to happen, which is as ambiguous as any phrase can be. But it gives a sense of just how common coincidences are. 포센 난제, 어려운 문제 하다게. 격언 theorem, 특히 수학에서의 정리定理. Lesson 1, Question 8. The phrase image scanning refers to the cognitive processes that operate on visual mental images when a person moves his or her attention across imagined objects. The first image scanning paradigm was designed to investigate the spatial properties of images. In the original experiment, participants memorized drawings of elongated objects, such as a tower. They were then asked to visualize one of the objects and to focus at one of its ends. For example, the bottom of the tower. Lastly, participants heard the name of a feature on the object e.g., a flag, and they had to look for it. Participants were not instructed to scan their image, but were simply told to focus on the original location until the probe was delivered, and then to focus on the named part or feature. They pressed one button when they had focused on the named part, and another button. If they failed to find it, the critical finding was that response times increased linearly, with increasing distances from the focus point to the named part of the object. This finding was taken as evidence that distance, as traversed by image, scanning is genuinely represented in visual mental images. Elongated 길쭉한 probe. 탐사어 실험에서 참가자에게 주어지는 자극 traverse 가로지르다 횡단하다. Lesson 1, Question 9. Social media's transformation into an e-commerce platform is a significant milestone that enabled it to become a platform for organizations. Social media was initially and mainly used for communication with friends and family. But with the popularity of some platforms, social media has turned into a vital tool for businesses seeking to sell their products online. Social media is now used by businesses to promote their products and offerings, as well as provide a direct shopping option for buyers. Influencer marketing is another way that social media has evolved into a platform for businesses. Influencers are those users who have a sizable social media following and are recognized as authorities or thought leaders in their specialized field. Influencer marketing allows businesses to reach the user's followers, who are more likely to trust suggestions from people they follow on social media. 마일스톤 이정표.